Look at that, guys. Absolutely crazy. A fully live WordPress website created in just 3 to 5 prompts, and I didn't touch anything. This is no code, no worries whatsoever, all using the Codex app. Look at the amount of detail there is here, the amount of potential pages to rank. Absolutely insane. I have to say, Codex has impressed me with this one. Let's jump straight into things. Just before we jump into the video, guys, huge shout out to the sponsor of the video, Hostinger. If you go to hostinger.com/surfers, there is a link in the description and in the pinned comment. It's enough to just get VPS hosting for when you're just messing around with things. Try and keep things as cheap as possible. You don't want to go too crazy with this, guys. But if you are planning on doing something for a little while, you can get yourselves a 24-month deal or a 12-month deal or a 1-month deal, depending on what you want. You can even get yourselves a further 10% off if you use the code SURFERS at checkout. This is for the KVM2. So this is the one that I chose right here, KVM2. So we click choose plan, and then like I said before, you can choose the length of time you want to go. So 24 months, 12 months, 1 month. It really depends. If you're actually trying to start a business, it's probably going to be more effective for you to choose a longer period of time. As you can see, that's a further 10% off. So thank you to Hostinger for that. You continue, do the payment, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the stage that you want to be at. You need a VPS like this right here. Once you've got that, you're ready for the next stage, which is to create the website in Codex with just a few prompts. The only other thing you need, guys, is Docker, right? So just go to Docker, download Docker. Docker is completely free, right? You just need to download it. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see this screen here, like this, right? These are all of my containers that are running, and this is the WordPress container. Now, think of this as like a miniature, not even a miniature version, but like a local running version of whatever you're trying to build, right? So if I just open this, you'll see what I mean, right? This is the local running version. But if I go here, you can see this is a live URL, right? This one here says localhost. This one here is just an IP address. So this one here is the one that I actually released on Hostinger. And this one here is the local running version of that website, right? So just become familiar with what I'm talking about right here. Now let's go new thread. I'm just going to copy the prompts from here. So let me just grab this first prompt, right? We'll change it. So instead of a tournament, Irish golf tournament, we'll do Irish tradespeople in Ireland. Packet full of information and a real design. Get me installed. Use admin, use a password. Cook it up, baby. Let's go. Let's just see what my second prompt was real quick. This is pretty decent. Keep going though. Do everything else and SEO stuff, please. So I'll just add that to the first prompt this time. Make sure to do all the SEO. Make all the pages. There will be a lot of pages here. Do a really good homepage design and knit everything together. Okay, so I'll just hit enter here. Now this is going to take some time. I'm probably just going to leave this for a little while. The time right now is 3:45, so we'll see how long this takes. Okay, sorry, wait, I'm in the same folder as before. So let's do add new project. And then we need to do new folder, and we'll do video. And then we'll drag this over to documents, I guess. Hello. God, I hate Mac. Okay, we'll just do it inside video, I guess. Okay, now I got it there in the end. I just had to click off and then click on again. So we'll open here. Now, there we go. Let's build video. So I just want to show you guys the first step to this, which is where it creates the Docker. This is super interesting stuff. The reason I use Docker, by the way, and I used to use something called local WordPress. The reason I stopped using local WordPress is because you can't run terminal commands, or I should say Claude Code or Codex cannot run terminal commands inside local WordPress, right? So you have to then go in and run all these commands and tie everything together. But with Codex and Docker, or Claude Code and Docker, you don't actually have to do that. Okay guys, while that's running, I'm going to show you how to set up the Hostinger MCP. Now, this is needed because you don't want to be messing around, pushing, pulling, whatever, getting your WordPress website there, blah, blah, blah. And the hosting at MPC server is actually pretty damn good. So what you want to do is you want to copy this and you want to jump on back to Codex, right? And we can do a new thread here because I think you're allowed to just do as many threads as you want, which is a really, really nice system. I'm just going to say, mine's already done this, okay, just so you know, but install this MCP server. Here's my API key, right? And then put your API key and then just paste. You can get your API key just from hostinger.com, go to your account. I couldn't actually find the option, so I just search API up here, click API, and then new token, and then create one, right? And then I'm just gonna hit enter here. Now it's not gonna do it because it's gonna discover that mine is already installed. I already have the MCP server, but just so you know, that is one of the prompts that I did inside the original build. You won't have to do it inside the original build. Set it up now, guys, so that you have it set up and ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, it says this is the other one. This is installing hosting MCP server. That's now done. So now effectively, and you can do this with Claude Code as well, obviously, but you now have a launch pad to launch to Hostinger. And I will tell you something interesting, guys. I am a big fan of DigitalOcean, but Hostinger is actually cheaper if you're just doing a KVM build, right? I did this yesterday with OpenClaw. DigitalOcean for OpenClaw was $36, right? Hosting was actually $12 for a month. So it can actually be cheaper. I think there's this misconception that hosting is automatically more expensive. It's not. So you can actually start using Hostinger more and more for launching things. So if I'm now launching something like a very simple WordPress website, I'm most likely going to be going with Hostinger because the baseline hosting actually can work out cheaper than competitors like DigitalOcean, etc. Okay, guys, so look, this is kind of what I was waiting for, but actually, interestingly, Codex did something which I wasn't expecting, which is called scaffolding, where instead of doing things bit by bit inside the code, it creates everything and then kind of just dumps it on the page. So we'll see if that works in just a second. But this is the Docker thing right here, right? This will very, very soon become the website. Interestingly though, the difference between scaffolding and building, normally what you'd do is you'd like download WordPress, work on WordPress, blah, blah, blah. But scaffolding is where it creates its own kind of WordPress. So it'll be interesting to see how it does because I would not recommend scaffolding for a WordPress website, but maybe Codex is cooking. We'll see in just a second. Okay, guys, so this is what we got. Let's just click through a few things. Let's see how it is. Okay, so I can see already that it's missing a few pages, right? These are just the kind of main pages. What is my cat doing? It's literally breaking into some food. Okay, so we got contact, we got all this, right? So I did stop this early just because I felt like it was getting stuck on something. So I just did stop it early, but I wanted to see what we had. This looks very, very much like the other design, interestingly. So maybe definitely I would recommend installing a front-end skill, which I'll talk about in another video. But you can actually make your own skills in Codex as well. It's super, super nice. I don't know if the front-end skill is here. It's not. But you can get the Anthropic front-end skill, put it here, or new skill, just add your own based off the Anthropic one. It's really, really easy. I made my own skill last night and it's super simple to do. So, okay, so this is officially my second prompt. Can you please focus on populating the category pages with actual useful content, etc.? So what I mean is with individual pages that will rank on Google, if that makes sense. So location pages, location plus service pages, and individual trades people pages. There we go. So this is going to take a little bit of time as well, guys. I don't know if I'm going to let this run the whole way because I already have like this, which is good enough to kind of show you guys the rest of the process, right? So let's just go to admin. I should be admin, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful. So all it really has to do now is just create a custom plugin, which it might have already done. It has Irish Trade Suites, and you'll see as well, you most likely have a theme, a custom theme. And then literally we're almost done. It did take a very long time, so it ran for 45 minutes uninterrupted, which is pretty crazy. I think if I'd left it, it probably would have run for 2 to 3 hours. I just don't have 2 to 3 hours right now to get this video out, guys. So I did stop it and I said, let's just, can you install things or whatever? Let's get on with things. Let's see, it looks like it might already have a lot of the code done. So the time now is 16:31. Let's just see what it does in the next 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I've let this run. It's done a pretty good. This is an example of one of the pages it created. You can see it's done all the SEO, blah, 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 etc., etc. Let me just show you how to launch this to make this video complete. So I'm just going to say, please launch this website using the Hostinger MCP to my spare KVM server. Make sure WordPress is installed and my theme is attached, etc. Okay guys, so that is the live website. This is on Hostinger now. You can see this is a live website. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is how you do it, guys. You can do it with Claude Code if you want, if you're not really down for using Codex. I just wanted to show you something different today and show you how you could do this inside Codex. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.